You've been floating through daily routine, locked up in a smile, stone cold surgery. Your time, your dreams, somewhere, somehow. When your color in every eyelids were freed by glowing promises.